Hi guys, welcome to another tiring episode of RefCut where we use big tools. Today we are replacing the DCT fluid on the X50, Jordan's in particular. So, yes, Jordan, how are you? Good, excellent. So, you came all the way back down from Penang. Wow, just for gearbox service, isn't it? That's how much he trusts us and our word. Jordan, can you just show me your booklet? And what is the service schedule for the engine oil and gearbox oil?
Engine oil and gearbox oil.
Engine oil is?
Engine oil is every 10k.
Okay, that's not too bad. Gearbox oil is how long?
Oil is every 19k kilometer or 4 years.
90,000. What the heck, man?
Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no.
90,000. 90,000 kilometers on your transmission fluid. Jordan, I want to ask you, what do you think about the DCT oil service at 90,000 km?
It's too long lah, I think.
It's too long, right?
Yeah.
What?
Normally,
Accurate.
I have checked myself.
Okay.
The best replace the oil around 20 to 30k.
Yes. Why are we saying 20 to 30,000? It's because gearbox oil temperatures rise and rise and rise without having internal combustion. It's frictional heat that's constantly being transferred, constantly being circulated. How many kilometers?
70 now is 78,000.
So that means he's roughly putting on about, if 25 is 75. Yeah? So you're putting 25,000 km a year. So Jordan, for you to clock 75,000 in what, roughly 3.5 years? Where do you go?
Banyak.
Mana?
Saya dari Penang pergi Kedah, kadang pergi Alostar, kadang pergi Seremban, KL, Ceras, Petaling Jaya. Last 2 week saya sampai Bentong, Pahang, Johor pun pergi. Johor, Melaka. Tapi the most saya jalan punya tempat kat Penang, KL, Seremban, Ceras. Itu area banyak. Yep. Around for 2 weeks one time.
Sorry, I'm still shocked by 75,000 in 3 years. Because I drive every day and my mileage for the past 4 years has been 50 grand. 4 years has been 50 grand. And that is with taking Saturday, Sunday off, the occasionally off day during the week, you know, we do like the French. Okay, so we're going to put the oil inside here just a little bit, see how is the color of it. And let's see if there's any shavings. I bet you're wondering, how can I see shavings, right? So how do you see this? Okay, see the shine? So identify that shine as the sun and the reflection of the glass. Anything more than that looks like it came off a 5-year-old girl's glittery dress, that's not good. So there's no glitter. Can you see any glitter? Nope, I don't see any glitter. So there's no glitter. I think there's more glitter in Magnuson's engine. Okay, one more thing you can do. Smell it. I only advise this for the men to smell because it's not for the faint of heart. So, important thing is, when you smell it, smells like chemical, fine, no problem. It cannot, under any circumstance, smell like a barbecue. If it smells a little bit like a barbecue, your clutches have burnt out, eh? You smell barbecue? Alright, so good, that's good. It's just dark. The color actually states that it's time for service. You see that?
Ini dia hitam macam ni untuk dia surat jalan lebih kurang 78k. So kalau 20k atau 30k dia main color macam mana?
Okay, senang lah kalau nak check kalau dia 20-30 ribu guys. Macam ni. That's the color. Itu warna.
Ini color.
Yeah, there. So if kita flip satu kali belakang, tengok.
Ini.
Yes, that color. So this is 70,000.
Kalau 90k atau 100k?
Okay, 90K, 100K. Let me talk. Black.
So
Full black.
dia boleh jadi pekat tak? Kalau kita air
Jadi jelly. Jelly pun boleh jadi.
Jelly medium
Jelly ni aja.
highlight.
Serah highlight lah. Lebih baik you pergi beli highlights. Dari highlight. Macam itu.
Okay.
So, what oil are we having today?
TOYO-G.
Is it Toyo Tyre's oil? No. Not Toyo Tyre's oil. From where is the oil? Australia, mate. It says it's able to increase friction durability, which giving longer lasting smooth shift feel to driver. Very good. So it's Australian fluid then.
Yeah.
Okay, Jordan. So right now we have already done the service,
Yeah.
right? We've topped up your coolant. It's a little bit low. That's fine. It happens because you go everywhere and you run everywhere so fast. Shall we go for test drive and see how does it feel for the first time in your life
Yeah.
after buying it brand new? How it's actually feeling
Okay.
with new oil, right?
Okay.
Let's go. I've driven the car once, but Jordan has driven the car 10 minutes ago. All the way from Penang for the past 3 years. So let's give him to drive it and see if he feels even a minuscule amount of difference, shall we? And let's change. Yes, we miraculously changed position, shall we?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So how's the throttle response? How does that feel?
Response is good. So,
Better or same?
Better.
Better, huh?
Then when the gear change,
No, not much. Not much feeling at all.
a bit smooth.
A bit smoother lah. So it's already DCT. You're not supposed to feel the gear changes, but it is saying that it's getting more linear, more smooth. Left. If it's getting more smoother, that means the oil was actually on its due date. It's time's up. Oh wow! Wow, that is torque.
The torque is the best.
That is torque. But yes, I already can feel a difference, and he just stepped on like what, 20%, 40% throttle just now.
Yeah.
40%.
Around 20 to 40%.
We are in Malaysia, so that would mean our heat is unbearable, completely unbearable. So that's where viscosity comes in. That's where the thickness of the oil comes in, the wear and tear, and the mineral and oil properties of the oil that makes the gearbox still stay in one piece and not disintegrate into a bunch of Taco Bell parts. Viscosity over time, it gets bad because of the heat cycle. You know what's a heat cycle? Is when you're cold, engine is cold, you start it up, you go for a drive, you come back, you let it cool down. One heat cycle. So if Jordan does 66 km a day and he goes to 4 or 5 places roughly, just imagine if you were a Grab driver having an X50 and you do roughly 200 kilometers a day, and Proton still says that the service interval is 90,000, regardless of heat soak, regardless of wear and tear, regardless of how many times you rev the nuts off this 1.5 liter 3-cylinder, it's still 90,000. So that's where it doesn't resonate with me so well. It really doesn't resonate with me that well at all, because I've seen the cause and effect of 30,000 km. Okay, just 30,000, and it is bad. We can't wait until bad looks bad. We have to look from the time where bad is no more tolerable. So if the oil starts its life being gold, it should end its life with it being dark brown. That's it. Not black, not black coffee, nothing. Just slightly darker brown. That's it. We have Jordan here. Ding, ding, ding. Let's see if we can get a clear view of that. Hey. This is good Jordan. This is the evil Jordan. This one will tell him stay with warranty. This one tell him void warranty.
Yeah.
So he don't know who to listen to sometimes. See? Even he is stressed already. Don't know who to listen to already. So Jordan, how does it feel with your new gearbox oil? How does the car feel?
Best.
Terbaik.
Terbaik.
Terbaik. Lovely. Now, given your gearbox oil has been serviced, would you still stick with 90,000 service interval from Proton, or would you go with, to be honest, my service recommendation, which is 20 to 30,000?
Yeah, I will go to recommended shop to replace every 20,000.
Yes. You see the reason why now, right?
Yeah.
Why it's so important, 20 to 30,000. The difference, if you were to put a percent on it, how many percent better is the car now from this morning?
How many percent?
How many percent? Because I remember you mentioning before and after E-Region is 40%.
Yeah.
So before and after gearbox oil, how many percent?
I think have 50%, half.
50%.
Yeah.
That's half. That's half.
Can feel the can feel the car is more.
Can feel the oomph.
Yeah, more
Yes, more torque.
Yeah. Just now when we drive at the
main road.
the main road, the torque is best.
A lot more.
Yeah.
And we have a full car, full load in the car. Well, all I can say is 90,000 service interval. It's the square root of Jack. Now you know that gearbox oil is very crucial in order for you to get good consumption, and most importantly, good feedback and power. Another big thing is that we are going to send off Jordan's oil sample to lab for diagnostics and deduction of the composite material that is actually in the fluid. Hey guys, alright, so today we are here with Akid, the owner of Prominent Tyre, one of the best tyre and mechanic shops I've ever had the pleasure of encountering in my brief existence on this planet. Thank you for letting us use your workshop, and let's get a shout out to him. And please, he has services for servicing, he has tyres, second-hand tyres, rims, anything. I personally gave him an MGB just to try him out to see if we can start it. It's a classic MG, this one, okay? He bloody did it. He got it running, he got it started. Even the owner couldn't believe his face, his eyes, that his car was running after 20 years. So, thank you, Akid. Thank you for getting it running. Yeah. Buang balik. Kalau you mau simpan pakai lain boleh, tak ada hal. Tapi dia mau buang dari kereta.
Buang balik.
Buang.
Rawi.
Should record that lah. Ini kamera bukan sini. Kamera taruh sini, makan. Kan? Okay. Bro, cakap ha.
Oh, okey, start balik. Okey.
Okay.
Saya sudah faham,
Okay.
start balik.
Makan.
Yes.
Makan dulu. Bila saya cakap saja, you start. Bro, nanti ya, itu minyak kita baru masuk kan?
Ya.
Itu minyak kasih buang lah.
Okey.
Buang servis balik sekali lagi yo.
Kita balik ah. Okey. Kenapa?
Kenapa? Salah, tadi you cakap apa? Walau weh.
Oh.
Itu saya mau.
Rawi.
Itu saya mau. Lancar.
Okey, start balik. Stop.
Okay, makan. So you look at me. Bro, nanti ya, ini minyak.
Ya.
Tadi baru servis kan?
Ya.
Dia mau buang itu minyak. Mau servis satu lagi kali.
Kita balik.
Tukar balik. Sekali lagi yo.
Kenapa? Rawi. Baru dia tukar.
Ya, sekali lagi mau tukar.
Kenapa baru tadi baru tukar? Sekarang lagi tukar ulang weh.
You see, he can't even compute. Sekali lagi lah.
Okey, okey.
Okey, dah. Cukup. Dia hari ini sakit belakang, tapi sekarang tak sakit.